Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have, where is it? Oh shit, I forgot it. Hold on. Okay, I have it now. I have the Glow Addict for December 2021. I forgot the month for a second too. I'm really on my game today, guys. This is gonna be a good video. I think I might put this video with another video because it's gonna be a short video, but I might not. I might just put this up as a single unboxing video. I haven't been doing those lately, except for when it's like Ipsy or BoxyCharm, but who knows what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I've had my makeup on for about 4 hours. I was ready to do my videos this morning, and then I was like, I'm gonna wait for my mail. My mail usually gets here between like 12 and 12:30, sometimes 1, and then my mail didn't show up until just now, and there was nothing in it. Surprise! That I waited for my mail and nothing came. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys the Glow Addict box. It is $18.95 plus shipping. It's usually about $25, and you get 5 full-size beauty products in your box. So it looks like a present, and ow, we're gonna open it. I did open it already. I just didn't like look inside to see what's in there. I just undid the tape. Okay, so the first two things are these. These are beauty blenders without a name. I don't like when they do that, when they just like kind of throw these in a bag and give them to you, because I would like them to be in some sort of packaging, or at least know what they are. You know what I mean? Because I think we got these same ones last year, so they probably just have like these in like Tupperware container somewhere, and they just throw them in a little bag and put them in there, because I think I have these. And they are a Christmas tree and a candy cane. There we go. Which is weird, don't you think? Don't you think this would be the Christmas tree and this would be the candy cane? Maybe not. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is the Good Mood Skincare Scar Exfoliating Gel. And it says 100% brand new and high quality. Nourish the skin, add the required water, moisturizing. The skin smooth, contains rice botanical ingredients, clean and nourish skin, make skin tender, balance water according to skin state, keep the best skin state all day. What? Was that super confusing to you guys too, or just me? Moisturizing. The skin smooth, contains rice botanical ingredients, clean and nourish skin, make skin tender, balance water according to skin state, keep the best skin state all day. What? Okay. Well, we're gonna open it and see what it looks like, because I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued because I couldn't read it or understand it. And sometimes that means it's fancy. Other times it means it's cheap and made somewhere cheaply. Okay, have any of you guys heard of Good Mood Skincare? Nope, not me. Okay, let's see. It's gigantic. And I guess you're just supposed to like put water to it and then put it on your scars. Ew. Oh. Oh, and it smells really bad. Okay, so the top, you guys, I don't know if you can see this, but it's definitely juicing, but there's like stuff all over that safety seal. It looks like mold. Let me just the bubbles out so you can see what I'm talking about. Do you see that? It looks like mold on there. Okay. Ew. Is it supposed to like bubble? Oh no. Is that bubbles? I don't know what that is. Ew. It's clear, but whatever that is on the top, no way. No way. Mm-mm. Okay. Next thing is this. This is the Good Mood, another Good Mood. Okay. Plum. I keep saying okay. That's my new thing. Instead of saying instead of saying, that wasn't even, those weren't words. Those weren't any kind of words. But instead of saying I'm saying okay. Good Mood Plum Wash, Plum Purifying Wash for Sensitive Skin. That's all it says on there. So here we go. There's not even ingredients in this. Like, how do you know if you can use it if there's not ingredients? Look. There's not even ingredients. That's terrible. Wow. This box sucks big balls this month. All right, the next thing is this. I believe I've gotten this before. This is the Trend Beauty Glitter Palette. Oh, it looks like this. And it has 1 matte, 4 satins or shimmers, and then 5 glitters. It's pretty. I don't know. I probably won't use it. So I'll put it aside for, since I already took the packaging off, which was just stupid. I'll probably put it aside for my nieces. One of them will love it. Or my kid will get it now since my palm just went in it. Okay, and the last but not least is this. How many products was that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I missing a product? Oh yeah. The Dumbass Beauty Blenders. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is the Extra Strength Lining Glue. So this is the glue liner by iBeauty, and this is in wine red. I mean, I do like that it's an eyeliner that's in a different color. I just wish that it wasn't liner glue in a different color. I wish it was just a regular liner, but that's just me being picky. I do wear lashes, so it's nice to have lash glue. What is wrong with all of the products? You guys, look how much is on here. Like, it's not supposed to do that. How are you gonna put a lash on with this much product on there? It's literally just juicing everywhere. This was a shit box. This was definitely, this box, if I wasn't in a good mood, I would be in a bad mood. Because this was a shitty ass box. My gosh, and I'm cursing, I'm so sorry. I don't normally curse like this, but we got a juicy eyeliner that's supposed to be glue, which all the glue is probably gone now because it just juiced to the top. We got the Good Mood Scar Exfoliating Gel, which would have been cool, but it's moldy on the inside because it exploded. We got, the only thing that was okay was the Trend Beauty Glitter Palette right here, but again, I won't use it. We have the beauty blenders that don't have any sort of packaging to them. They just throw them in a little plastic bag, and we got them last year. And then we got this face wash that has no ingredients at all whatsoever. And it's so important to have ingredients on your products because some people are allergic or they're sensitive to certain products and certain ingredients. And you kind of have to have the ingredients on there because how can I know if I can use this? I have psoriasis. I can't use anything with citrus in it. Can I use this? I don't know. So this did. It sucked balls this month. Oh my gosh. I didn't mean to say that. I didn't mean to say suck balls. I meant to say, and I said it again. I meant to just say sucks. I'm going to stop now. All right, guys. This was the Glow Addict Beauty Box for December 2021. It's not usually this bad. This month it was horrendous. Super terrible for their December box. Maybe I just had a shitty box and like everything was messed up, but almost everything was messed up. You know what I mean? All right, I'm done. I will make sure to link Glow Addict in my description box down below, just in case you might want to check it out. And that is it for today. I love you guys so, so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I don't know what that was. I'm doing a little dance now. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.